Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I just wanted to pop on for a minute and show you this really cool deal that is free for 5 more days. See right here? And I'll have the link for you for it down below. It's Creative Bundles. But this is a fabulous set right here. I think they are super duper cute. And I'm going to make some earrings. So if you look down here, I was going to show you, this is what you can get off of Amazon, and I'll have the link down there for it for you also. If you're making earrings, you can get all the different colors of earrings, and that's really handy in this cute little box. And then I'll have a link for you for all of these really cool faux leather pieces that you can get there as well. These are like a fabric backed, and that's what I've used before in mine. If you want to make them double, you could, if you wanted to back them and glue them together or something. But this is just what I've used, is this right here. The only ones I wouldn't use that comes in this set are these, because I don't know if you can tell, but that's really crunchy, and I wouldn't want to use my cutting blade on that. So I just wanted to jump on, like I said, real quick and show you about this deal right up here, because I think it's fabulous. I just downloaded it. Okay, before I go, I thought I'd show you that they cut out equally well in your Cricut machine or your Silhouette. I've just cut these on my Silhouette portrait machine. If you'll see behind me, I have Cricut Design Space opened up. When you open them up, they come in really huge. Look, it's almost 6.5 inches tall. So I measured what size I wanted mine to be, and I decided I wanted them to be 2 inches from the star tip to the base. So all I did was come up here, make sure the lock was locked, and change this to 2 inches and hit enter. And that's perfect for that one. And I did the same thing with this one. Oops, hit enter. Okay, so then what I did was I made 2, obviously, so I duplicated this. Or I could duplicate it like that, I guess. But then I didn't just make 2. I made 2 more. So I'm going to duplicate these guys. Okay. But one last thing that I did do was I flipped this horizontally, because I wanted to have a front and a back on my tree. If you'll notice here, there's green on the front and green on the back. This one I haven't attached the back piece yet, and you may not mind. It's got the fabric on the back. You know, you could get that with a little bit of sticky spray and put some sparkly stuff or something. You know, there's probably a lot of things you could do with it. But what I did was this, and then I came up here to flip horizontal, so that when I cut them, I had one of each type. Same thing with this. I just right clicked and said duplicate. Once I duplicated both of them, I drew a box around both again, right clicked and said duplicate. And for this duplicate pair, then I just came up here to where it says flip, and I said flip horizontal. And then I just went ahead and cut these out on my machine. Now you have to do a test cut. On my machine, and let's look at Silhouette real quick. On my Silhouette machine, you can see over here what I had mine set at. 9 for my depth of the blade, 21 for my force, my speed was 1, and I actually made 3 passes, and it worked out beautifully. Okay, as you can see, I've already put the little earring piece in this one. And if I wanted to, now I don't know if you can see or not, but you can see a little bit of the lighter color here. And to be honest with you, that doesn't bother me at all. And I probably wouldn't do this. But if you wanted to, because it did bother you, what you could do is get out one of your alcohol ink markers and just kind of go around the edge to color it in. You know, like I said, though, I probably wouldn't spend my time doing this, because I don't think it's necessary. But there you can see how it turns out. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you like this tutorial. Just a quickie, because I saw this was on sale, or actually not on sale, it was free, and I thought you might want to jump on it. Great way to make some Christmas gifts. I mean, they turn out really cute. I think this one here is really super cute, and I'm going to wear them actually tonight. Doesn't have to be a Christmas tree. I like trees. Bye, you guys.